So there's a guy on Instagram called the Night Watchmaker, which I thought was a really cool name. But tonight I think the Night Watchmaker can eat his heart out because it's late at night here in Perrett Dock, and I have on the bench here a really special pocket watch. It's in 18 karat gold and it was built by a famous Swiss watchmaker in the middle of the 19th century, around the 1850s, 1860s, somewhere like that. And the gentleman's name was Henry Capt. Now, you guys know that I like to do a Lume Shot, a shot that shows how well the watch can tell you the time when it gets dark. So that's what I'm going to do with this watch right now. So let's turn the light off and do the Lume Shot. How gorgeous is that? And those of you who know how to read a watch like that know that the time is 10:39 and this watch is coming to my channel very soon.